Today we're exploring the journey of David Sconce, the notorious figure behind the Lamb Funeral Home scandal, who transformed a trusted Pasadena family business into a gruesome criminal enterprise in the 1980s. Known for his Cremation King persona, Sconce's illegal mass cremations and body-snatching schemes remained a chilling chapter in California true crime for decades. In 2025, his story returned to the global spotlight through the HBO docuseries The Mortician, featuring Sconce himself. So, where is David Sconce now? Let's find out. David Sconce's legal odyssey spans over 35 years, beginning with his 1989 conviction for mutilating corpses and hiring hitmen to assault rival morticians. After serving an initial prison sentence and being released on a rare lifetime probation, he was hauled back to court in 2013 for a firearm violation. A judge who had warned Sconce years earlier made good on a promise of a life sentence, handing him 25 years to life for violating that probation. While many believed he would never see freedom again, Sconce became a subject of renewed legal maneuvers that eventually led to his quiet return to society. In a development that coincided with the production of his 2025 documentary, authorities granted Sconce release once more. During the series, he appeared as an unrepentant, aging figure, doubling down on his practical business approach to death and dismissing the emotional weight of his crimes. His candid, often callous commentary provided a final, eerie chapter to the scandal that permanently changed the funeral industry's regulations. Where is David Sconce now? As of now, David Sconce is released on parole. He was paroled from prison in 2023 after serving approximately 10 years of his life sentence. Now roughly 68 years old, he is currently living as a free man, though he remains under strict lifetime parole supervision. Professionally, Sconce is prohibited from ever working in the funeral or cremation industry again, as the licenses for his family's former businesses were permanently revoked decades ago. Most recently, he has been in the public eye as the primary subject of the 2025 HBO docuseries The Mortician, where he notably hinted at even darker, unsolved crimes, including his alleged involvement in the poisoning of rival Timothy Waters. David Sconce has transformed from a disgraced young entrepreneur into an elderly parolee who remains as polarizing as ever. While he is no longer behind bars, he continues to live under the shadow of his past, prioritizing his own narrative in a world that has never quite forgotten the Cremation King. Thanks for watching the video. If you want more updates on the current status of notorious figures or deep dives into true crime history, don't forget to follow along for more.